Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to allow working on specific weekends in your Microsoft project plan. Okay, so basically when you are working on any project and you are using the standard calendar by default of the Microsoft project, so it will be only working from the Monday to Friday. Okay, so in case, for example, your project has some tasks running behind schedule and you want to add more some resources working on the weekend. I mean on some specific days in the weekends to cover some the behind schedule tasks. Okay, and basically we can do some customization in the Microsoft project, and that's why in this video today I will guide you how to do it. Okay, so now let's get started. This is an example of the project planning I'm using to manage my website development project. Okay, and here, for example, you see that assuming we have the task 3.1.1 is running behind schedule. So I want to add more the resources to work on the weekend to bring it back on track. Okay. So for example here, this task will be taking around 5 days. Okay. 5 days working time. And it will be start from the Fridays on the 18th September. Yeah. And it would be great if we can finish this task on the 22 September. And as this blending here, you can see this will be finished on the 24. Okay. So now here, I need to add more resources to work on the 29 and 12 September. Okay. So now, how to do it? Okay. So you just go ahead to click on the project tab on the menu and then click on change working time. Okay. So you can see here in the change working time pop-up here, you can see the default calendar we are using is standard. Yeah, standard. Okay. And then you take a look into the calendar detail. We have a 19th and 20 non-working day. Okay, see here. That means we have no work on today. Okay, so I want to make 19 and 12 is an exception day in our project plan. So I have some the member working on it. You just go ahead to click on the exception and you type in some text here to identify which one is some the customized days in your project. I will have some uh, work over time work on weekend 01. Okay. Start date it will be the 19th and okay so and finish date I will be select 12. Okay. Okay. And then I will select the task here, the exception task again, and then I will click on the detail on the right hand. Okay. In the detail, you can see the default option we are using. We are selecting the is a non-working because this is the weekend. So by default, when we are going to add any exception for the weekend, the working time will be non-working. That means you have to select the option number 2, the working time. Yeah. So when you select the working times, it will be automatically adding the default start date of the morning and the afternoon for this day. Okay. And then in the section number 2, recurrence pattern, you have it by default here. And navigate to the range of recurrence. And you see that we have a start is Saturday, 19 from 19, and you just go ahead to select the option number 2 here, by end. Okay. In the by end, I will select the option. The date is 12, 20 September. Yeah. That means we have a range from the 19 to 20 is some the exception day. Okay, click on OK button, and then you see the 19 and 20 and 20 it already changed from gray to cyan color. And when you see the cyan color on the left hand here, it will be exception day. Okay. And then click on OK button to apply the news update. Okay. And then when after you click on the OK button and you take a look again into the project plan, you can see that the task 3.1.1 here, develop backend work. It will be changed the finished date from the 24 to the 22 September. Okay, so that means the duration of this task still 5 working days, but the finished date already increases. In this finished this task on the 20 day is Thursday, and now we can finish this task. I mean we can bring this task back on track on the 20 day on still day. Okay, okay. The same thing for other tasks. For working on the finance work, we also have this task working on weekend. Okay, that means when we add news when we add more efforts working on the weekend, so we can fast track to bring our project back on track. Okay, okay. I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to allow adding some the specific weekends days into the project plan. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you. Let me know if you see any issue or you have any question. Okay, again, thank you and see you later in other video. Bye bye.